Yo, what's going on, people? My name is Logic. Today's video is gonna be what I hope to be my final plant video from my trip, from my stay in the island of Puerto Rico. Now, before we go any further, I do need to exclaim that it is the 1-year anniversary of my rubber plant propagation project video. What I want to show you guys today is in Puerto Rico, this beautiful, gigantic, ginormous, so many words, man, so many words for this plant. A humongous rubber plant tree. I'm talking on some evergreen business, man. This is absolutely crazy. This is located in the town of Fajardo, right on the roadside. Humongous, you literally cannot miss it. It's next to a mall. They've actually been planted as ornaments and shades along streets and parks throughout the island of Puerto Rico. But what you guys are seeing here is this rubber plant going absolutely nuts, bananas, with the conditions that the beautiful island of Puerto Rico have provided it. You guys see that this rubber plant tree is mature. It is producing a whole lot of offspring. Ultimately, whoever decided to plant this tree here, they was on the right timing, because this tree did absolutely amazing and it dwarfs me as well as most of the other trees in the near vicinity, which is dope, super cool. And man, I'm really sorry if I'm getting super excited over this, but this, when I was in Puerto Rico, was so mind-blowing to me. And what I want to do every single time I visit the island is I want to go back to that spot and I want to check in with the progress that the rubber plant is going through. Keep in mind, Hurricane Maria happened roughly a year ago, and even then this plant is at this condition, at this level of maturity that it is in right now. That's nuts. Alright, but enough of me nerding out, guys. Like I said, that is my final plant video from my previous trip to Puerto Rico. I've had this video lying around for a while, but I wanted to update it for a special occasion. And what better occasion is there than the 1-year anniversary of my rubber plant video? Thank you so much for the support that you guys have shown that video. If you're not already subscribed, what are you doing, man? Let's go. Subscribe, push that button right now if you want to see more wonderful plant nerd content just like this. Alright, what else can I say, man? Once again, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.